Good morning. Usual filth in the sky today. That one's a freshie going across. Nature don't do straight lines.